Let's have a basic introduction about what is DNA, this elegant macromolecule. Have you ever wondered why dogs give birth to dogs, and why elephant give birth to baby elephant, and why chimpanzees give birth to only chimpanzees, and so on? Why this happens? Well, this is because of this macromolecule that we call as deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. And this DNA has certain sequences which carry the information of how the species is going to be unique. So this DNA molecule is transferred from parents to the offspring, which actually forms the basis. So what does DNA do? DNA has certain instructions in the form of certain genetic codes, and this genetic code is converted into messages in the form of the proteins. DNA converts to RNA, RNA into proteins which encodes one certain characteristic trait. And where is DNA found? DNA is found in the nucleus of the cell, in the center of the cell where the nucleus is placed. And in this nucleus, as you can say, we have a lot of DNA molecules. So they are tightly packed in the form of structures that we know as chromosomes. So this DNA molecule is present in the form of chromosomes, which is present in the nucleus of the cell. And this DNA unwinds during replication, and then this information transmitted into RNA, RNA into proteins, which form the basis of how the organism is going to be. So they carry this hereditary information, and this is replicated during cell division, this chromosomes. Next, when we talk about the nucleus of the cell, the DNA present in the nucleus of cell is known as the nuclear DNA, and the total complete set of nuclear DNA is called a genome, remember. When we talk about nucleus, there are some other organelles also that have this DNA, that is, for example, mitochondria, which helps the cell to produce energy, to generate cell energy. It also contains some DNA in case of certain complex organisms like we and some apes. And these organisms, we as a whole inherit half of DNA from male and half from female parents. And we also inherit mitochondrial DNA from only female parent. Why? Because the ovum contains mitochondria while the sperm does not contain mitochondria. So mitochondrial DNA from only female parent. Now what is this DNA made of? DNA is made of the backbone of nucleotides. These nucleotides consist of a phosphate group and a sugar molecule. After this nucleotide, we have certain nitrogenous bases. We have 4 bases commonly. This is adenine, for which you write the symbol as capital A, and then after adenine we have the next nitrogenous base, that is thymine for T and guanine for G and cytosine for C. So remember, we have 4 nitrogenous bases, and the arrangement of these nitrogenous bases determines what is going to be the characteristic trait in the organism. So for example, if we have ATCGTT, it is for blue eyes. And we have another sequence of this ATCGCT, it encodes for brown eyes. So this is how these genetic code encode for certain traits, and this segment of this genetic information is in the form of genes. So the size of a gene can vary from 1000 bases to 1 lakh bases or 1 million bases in humans, and a human genome contains about 3 billion bases and about 20,000 genes on 23 pairs of chromosome. This human genome is completely studied by the scientists. So remember, human genome contains about 3 million bases and about 20,000 genes on 23 pairs of chromosomes.